Chyavanprash is one of the most nourishing classical formulations in the Ayurvedic paradigm. It contains powerful antioxidant herbs and ingredients that work together synergistically to boost immunity and promote resilience. So when I got a hold of this recipe from Banyan Botanicals, I had to try it. The ingredients are simple. Blanched almond flour, no skins, that's good for pitta. Hemp seeds, a light, easy to digest protein. Hazelnuts, you'll definitely want to roast them. And of course, Chyavanprash, the star of the show. It looks so good. Then you'll add some ghee for extra rejuvenation, salt to round it out. I almost forgot honey, a kapha-soothing sweetener. Mix it all together. And that's it. Tell me if you are not absolutely obsessed with these. I recommend weaving this recipe into your post-cleanse rejuvenation protocol ASAP.